Assembly is the final stage in many fabrication processes, where individual parts are brought together to create the final product. This may involve mechanical fastening using bolts, screws, or rivets, or it may use adhesives or welding, depending on the application. The assembly stage may also include inspection and testing to ensure the finished product meets all specifications and quality standards. Quality control is an integral part of the fabrication process. It ensures that every piece meets predefined standards and performs as expected. Techniques like non-destructive testing, NDT, dimensional inspection, stress testing, and surface finish evaluation are commonly employed. In many industries, especially aerospace and automotive, rigorous quality checks are necessary due to the safety-critical nature of the products. Modern fabrication is heavily influenced by automation and computer technologies. Computer numerical control, CNC. Machines allow for high-speed, high-precision machining and cutting with minimal human intervention. Robotics is increasingly used in welding, material handling, and assembly, improving consistency and reducing labor costs. Additive manufacturing, or 3D printing, is also beginning to play a role in fabrication, particularly for prototyping in custom or complex parts. Environmental considerations are also becoming more important in fabrication. Industries are being encouraged or required to reduce waste, minimize emissions, and improve energy efficiency. This involves recycling scrap materials, using energy-efficient machinery, and selecting environmentally friendly materials and processes. Sustainable fabrication not only helps protect the environment but can also reduce costs and enhance corporate responsibility. Training and safety are also essential in fabrication. Working with high-powered machinery, hot metals, and sharp tools can be dangerous, and it is imperative that workers are well-trained and follow strict safety protocols. Personal protective equipment, PPE, proper machine guarding, ventilation, and emergency procedures are all part of maintaining a safe work environment. Continuous education and certification programs help ensure that workers stay current with evolving technologies and safety practices. Fabrication plays a pivotal role in infrastructure development. Steel structures for buildings and bridges, piping for water and gas systems, and components for power plants are all products of advanced fabrication techniques. In the automotive industry, nearly every part of a vehicle chassis, body panels, engine parts is fabricated to exacting standards to ensure performance and safety. In aerospace, the demands are even higher, as fabricated parts must endure extreme conditions while maintaining minimal weight and maximum reliability. The electronics industry also relies heavily on fabrication, though on a much smaller scale. The fabrication of semiconductor devices involves extremely precise